The arts are really an important part of education here at AUC. The arts are about human expression in so many different forms, sometimes involving language, sometimes not. Music, photographs, theater, painting, sculpture. And so it's at the heart of a liberal arts education. This is now our third season with it, and you can see how exciting opera is. Even for people who don't know opera, this is a nice introduction to some of the classical crowd pleasers like Aida and Verdi, and the other more modern pieces that will be playing during the season.
It's wonderful. Aida is one of the great operas, and obviously their staging at the Met, their performers, the musicianship, the professionalism, everything about it is just outstanding. To use an overused expression, world class. And there's no better way to start this season than this fantastic, homage to the power of Egyptian images and Egyptian culture. And so we're very excited to have it happen.
It is particularly of interest and of value to be performing Opera Aida in Egypt because it's a piece that was written for Egypt. It was written to be premiered here, and it was. And I have a suspicion, even though there are people who say that the performances of opera from then until now were primarily for the expats and the wealthy Italians and so on. I think that opera has a special place in Egypt, and especially for the elites and eventually for the middle class as well, because we started with an opera by the greatest composer of opera then living that was written especially for Egypt and was about Egypt.
I will mention quickly one more brief anecdote in terms of insight into how...
Incredible. The sets are amazing. Of course, the performances is amazing. It's just a beautiful experience.
Oh, it's just magnificent. The visuals are so beautiful, and it's such a romantic opera.
It's brilliant. The staging is excellent. The music, the singing, the voices, it's just perfect.
I want to thank AUC for giving us this wonderful opportunity to watch this performance live. Aida is a great opera, and honestly, the victorious march was so touching when the whole world saw Gloria Egypt.